We work really hard to make sure that students have a sense of who their professor is and the fact that we are always on their side. In our courses, we use asynchronous assignments, discussion boards, opportunities to have one-on-one or small group chats, as well as opportunities to check in on the phone in order to create a sense of community among our students who may be spread all around the country.
Being an industry professional is very important because you can relate real-time, real-life experiences, being able to use that experience to insert it into the course curriculum. You're able to teach it not only from a book theoretical approach, but from a practical approach. And both of those approaches, I think, help combine to make learning a better experience for our students.
I think if you don't have interaction, you would not be anything better than just picking up a book, not enrolling in a course, and sitting down and trying to learn it. The way you learn is to interact. Just sitting down, reading a textbook or several textbooks and writing a report, you're not getting the same thing as if you actually see it on your screen.
We can help our students to really prepare to be the strongest possible candidates for the jobs that they want to pursue after they graduate. And I think that's a unique thing that we can offer here at Samford, and that we really can work with each individual student. So this is not a one-size-fits-all program. It's highly customizable to the needs of each student, and your professors are definitely here to support your progress every step of the way.